Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In today's video, we'll be installing the MotorHome script by Quasar store into our FiveM server. This incredible script introduces a game-changing mobile home system, allowing players to purchase trucks, transform them into custom homes, and travel anywhere with their house of wheels. Today, I'll walk you through the installation process step by step and give you a full showcase of this amazing script. If you're looking to add a next level realism and creativity to your FiveM server, this script is absolutely must have. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into a FiveM server. The script is from Quasar store. I'll provide the back source link in the description below. By clicking over here, you can preview the script. When purchasing the script, use code Zexus to get 10% discount. After when you purchase the script, you will receive these two resources in the granted access section of your keymaster. You just need to download them both. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into a FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting them over here, just like this. Now we have to ensure the file's name into our server.cfg. For that, copy the name of the file. Now go to server.cfg and ensure them over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. Now open the MotorHome folder. Go to SQL. Now we have to run the SQL. For QB, just double click over here. Open your head SQL. Select your server, then click on Run. Now open the QS MotorHome folder. Go to Shared, then config.lua. In this config.lua, we can easily configure our script. You can configure the spawn distance according to your server need. So I'll be setting it to default. And for the decoration mapping key, the default key is F9. So I'll be keeping it default for now. If you want to enable the crash effect inside the van, you just need to keep it on true. Otherwise, you can change it to false. If you want to hide the radar in the decoration mode, then keep it on true. Otherwise, you can change it to false. In this line of code, you can configure lockpick item. And from here, you can configure the percentage of chance that lockpick get broken. If you want to enable the alarm when your van get robbed, you just need to set it into true. Otherwise, you can change it into false. From here, you can add the police job which are in your server. If you want to use the target system, you just need to change the false into true. And these are the commands which you can use with the script. With this command, you can grant the access of your van to other players. And with this command, you can define the interaction points. And with this command, you can customize the van's appearance. And with this command, you can set up the campsite outside of your van. And these are the objects and items which get spawned during the camp. And these are the config vehicle which we can use as a motorhome. And if you want to add any custom vehicle, you can configure it over here. So that's it for the config part. Now let's start the server. So these are the vehicles which we can use as a motorhome, as you can see over here. Here we got different type of options, as you can see over here. So I'll be selecting this vehicle over here. So let's get inside the vehicle. So right now I'm owning this vehicle in here. Now let's get out from the motorhome. Now we just need to come over here nearby this gate. Now use your target over here, then click on open motorhome interaction. After that, click on enter motorhome. Now we have to set the exit point for the motorhome. So I'll be setting it over here. After that, click enter. Now again use your target over here, then click on open motorhome interaction. After that, click on enter motorhome. So as you can see, we are inside our motorhome. When you reach here, you just need to press F9 to open the decoration menu. And as you can see, we got lots and different type of furnitures over here. And these are categories of our furniture. So now let's add a bed inside our motorhome. So I'll be adding this one. After that, press F6 to get in free mode. Click on the furniture and you will get adjustment options. Now let's adjust the bed. After when you adjust the position of your furniture, you just need to press buy to purchase it. Now let's add some more furniture. After when you're done decorating your motorhome, you just need to press cross. That's it. So as you can see over here, this is the washroom of our motorhome. And there is one more room over here, as you can see over here. Now let's get out from the motorhome. For that, you just need to interact the door with your target eye. Then click on exit motorhome. As you can see over here, now we have to use the command which is /van camp. Now first, let's place the bonfire. So I'll be placing it over here. Now we have to place the tent. So the tent will be over here. Now place the chair. And the chair will be over here. After that, press E. If you want to delete all the objects, you just need to press over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.